Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
You see me know your arm now represent JLP. And your teeth now represent PNP. Let me see your hand in the air. Let me see how like real bad charge in them. When all them can defend themselves. Free world for Zion Shaw.
Little boy can't box me on that show, yeah. One to them boy.
Yeah, that's it, man. Some people call themselves friends, but they're not a friend now. You see, for your real brethren, I'm not a brethren like I'm touch with the dumpling and butter struggles. Me talk cricket with green grapefruit. Brethren, let me see you share your liquor with your brethren.
Bust a shot for your true friend, eh? Bust a shot for your real friend, eh? Bust a shot for your true friend.
Alright. No, what is? You just have to never get paid. Put some water in. Some man come in and course. Water in a Guinness buckle. Then how them a go win the Benz? Say them real, but them broke now. Water in a Guinness buckle, no. Buy one to enter this on my promo. Under the cap. Say if you win a Benz.
Watch out, you see? A taxi me I take. And like a car me I drive for it. Wanna feel it easy? It up your heart same way, yeah? So if I tell you something I go send it, that means say me I go send it. If me tell you something I go call you when me send the thing. Alright, watch out, it's data from January. I know August. I'm gonna call it yet. That don't simply mean something I get it yet, Misha. Me just send you money one year. It don't matter if I want me hear the shot. Me send you money. You have to make that last man. Me want to get 20 dollars, I'm not pocket now, I'm taking that thing out Jamaica. Now I'm taking that thing out Jamaica. I shoot him, I start shooting if I get the money, Misha. And me say me not happy, me so send it. And you're not gonna kill nobody, you know, Misha. And that me I make you know, you know. You know, I'm gonna sell it plus one. How you look on? Hey, let me tell you this. I saw your eye for your pint. Look, straight. And that me I make you know. Hey, yo, imagine. After me tell the girl, say, yo, I'm so send the money. Yo, me not even gonna tell you my business here, man. Yo, he must say, let me have right as well. Yo, he must say, next week me pay, yeah? Me not have it right now.
Hello, Susan. I miss you. I can't sleep.
Who this?
You mean if you tell me say you don't know my voice, you don't recognize my voice?
Brian?
Yeah, Susan. I can't sleep. I miss you.
You can't sleep?
No, I can't sleep. No matter what I do, no matter what I try. I miss you.
You have a Bible next to you?
No, I go for it.
Yeah, go for your Bible.
Yeah, I have it. What you say now?
Go to Isaiah 48 verse 22.
Alright, I'm find it.
Read it out loud for me, please and thanks.
There is no sleep for the wicked. Wait, hold on.
Okay, have a good night.
Susan!
Wait, what are you getting a number here? Don't tell me saying back on him stalker shit again. God is like to make my pussy too good, you know. I swear, good pussy is a blessing and a curse. Jesus Christ.
Yo, brother, you David?
What going?
You not got a dream weekend?
Yeah, in my dream. No, brother, I have to work, dog.
John, I know them with them.
But Yasmin, I got
it. You said Yasmin by herself? Bad money here, Jamaican money to get a dream weekend.
You mean?
My youth, the last girl like a dream weekend, you don't me dance when she come back. Her pussy still like a Drake album. Nothing was the same.
I hope I trust my own, innit?
Yeah, alright, go and trust your girl. I think credit you than me just so. Go with you.
Alright. Yo, Yasmin, come here, man. Yo, what time is your flight?
It's 3 o'clock live.
Yo, take off your clothes,
Give me some file.
Yo, go take off your clothes now, man. I want to tear up your blood clot.
Babe, what are you doing?
Alright, so from the clit to the cuterus, 1 centimeter.
What are you doing?
From the right jaw to the left jaw, 2 centimeter. So x plus y equals z times pi. So that's 1 centimeter. Let's see if you come back and you even 1 millimeter off your blood clot there, yeah? Safe flight.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
You know me, always doing good. By the way, I wanted to ask you, what are you?
I'm Jamaican.
Boy, you lying. You straight Cuban. I bet you know how to make that good cafe con leche. You know I'll be craving some of that rice and beans. I know y'all Cubans can cook that rice and beans real good. And that coladas. Oh shit, what about that salsa? Papi, I know you can speak Spanish. Speak something Spanish for me.
You want me to say something in Spanish?
Yes, papi.
Alright, hold on. Suck el mother.
Oh, papi, that sounds so sexy. Translate it for me.
Go suck your mother.
Oh my god, you're really Jamaican.
Bitch, I swear, it might just dick supply. All him do is give me body and them have the food out of the house. You know, yesterday them drink off my lemonade and him not even have the audacity to say make my bite back. Shan, one thing me always say, you know, if no man not put nothing in my purse, him can't put nothing in my pussy. And you know me friend already, I'm gonna tell you the truth. It's your fault. And you brought Donovan bad. And you see until you put on your foot and say you not take this no more, it not gonna stop. That's truth, you're right.
Mumsel! What me doing when say dog got a back? Mumsel, what me doing, man? What me do here? Can't do here. Mumsel, what me doing, Mumsel? No, I can't do it. Listen, things change. These nickels and dimes can't change, Mumsel. That's very cute. Mumsel, I don't know why you want to extend the match now. Mumsel, that's very cute. That's very cute. It's like a jack mackerel without tomato sauce. Me's nothing without it, Mumsel. I know I don't think mackerel in my house, much less. I need them more than flour right now, Mumsel. What me doing, man? Mr. Mason, I cannot let you in. Mumsel, what me doing now?
How that?
Mumsel, how this?
What man you mean how me? How you?
That's better, right? Mumsel, I'm to your belly. I wish beasting up on your belly, Mumsel. Why belly so big? No, never.
You're blind? It's a bridge, you're a bridge.
Stop now.
I'm telling you, son, me I treat her like Tony Braxton.
Tony Braxton.
Because as I want you done, she have a breed again.
I'm not going. Don't go.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what we would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kenny Clark. Peace.